Good evening, everybody. How's everybody doing tonight? This is Patty in Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I will show you how to make an instant, delicious banana pudding. And these are the ingredients. I'm going to show you them first. I'm using vanilla wafers, and you will see that it's reduced fat, but that's because they didn't have any other wafers, but they're going to be fine. This is the sugar, about 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I use the French vanilla pudding mix along with the banana cream. Let's see, this is the banana cream. So you want to use the French vanilla and banana cream. I'm going to use a little bit of vanilla extract. And I have my bananas here. And as you can see, some of them are a little bit ripe, not overripe. And I think it's good because when they're a little ripe like this, they're sweeter. So I've chosen to use those. And my pan that I will be using is this pan here. And let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn these over on the bottom and put them in my pan. And I'm going to come back. This is my bowl that I will be mixing the pudding and the vanilla flavoring and sugar together. So I'm going to pause right here and come back in just a few. Okay, I didn't tell you at first that I'm using half and half, and I have carnation evaporated milk, a small can of that, and I have my whipping cream here that I'm going to use. And I'm going to put all of this together in here. And if I need to get some more milk, I will get some whole milk and put in if I don't have enough here with this. And I'm going to put this in my, I have 2 small boxes of French vanilla pudding mix and 2 small boxes of banana cream pudding mix. Okay, and I'm going to put all of this, and remember I use half and half and a small can of carnation milk. Okay, I'm just going to whisk this together right here, and I have my sugar in here, and I am going to add a little bit of vanilla. I'm not measuring it, just putting a little in there, okay? And I'm going to whisk all of this together. Get all of my milk out. And make sure I have all of this. And I'm going to whisk this together. And then I'm going to put, mix it with the mixer for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, let me put it here. And okay, and let's put it on about 2. I'm going to mix it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, I'll come back and show you the results of it. Okay, you can see here on the spatula, it is set just the way I want it to be. It's not, there might be a little, but you can see it is set. So I'm ready to spread it, start spreading it over my cookies and my bananas. So I just spread it like this. I'm going to spread it over all of this. I'm going to lightly spread it here. You see my bananas and my cookies. And then I'll come back with another layer of cookies after I get it all spread. I'll come back with another layer of cookies and bananas. And I will come back and show you after I've gotten it all spread on top. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll pause right here for a moment. Hi, I'm coming back, you guys, to show you the finished product of the banana pudding. Delicious banana pudding. We're going to have to put it in the refrigerator and let it set. So we may come back at another time and show you the product once we cut into it. Okay? Doesn't it look great? Thank you. Please subscribe, follow, share, tell your friends about our page, and like Patti's Southern Kitchen. I thank you so much. I'll see you soon.